Alright, hi guys, welcome back to another Simply Melon. I am outside in the garden for a little bit today. I started getting dressed, and getting dressed to come outside. As you can see, my gloves are filthy. It's supposed to be aesthetic, supposed to be real. So I started getting dressed and realized I was coming out here in a spaghetti strap. Let me take off this shirt. I come out here in a spaghetti strap in this sun. And without a hat, ready to come out here. Because alright, gardening, I go video it, I go nice, If I did ever come out here, let me put this up so you can see my face, because I'm right in the sun. If I came out here in that, I'd probably have a stroke. It's not the first time I'm working outside in a spaghetti strap, but with the heat these days, this little piece of strap was not going to protect my back. So I decided to put this on over it. I'll probably sweat a lot, but it would also in return keep me cool, because in case you don't know, that's what sweat does, keeps you cool. But yeah, so I'm doing a little gardening today, and this was so spontaneous. I started doing it for a little bit, and then I stopped to say, let me just record this, because this could be something to show somebody. This is kind of like me trying to figure out the rest of my week. And in order to do that, I need to just unwind. Sometimes I unwind and I browse on the internet, and I am looking. I'm on TikTok, I'm on Instagram, I'm on YouTube, I'm watching videos, I'm listening to music. And there are times when I listen to podcasts. I have this one that I'm listening to. It has over 800 episodes, and I'm listening to it. But it's not all the time I want to listen to one thing constantly. So now I decided to just do some gardening while I am unloading my mind, or just trying to figure out what's going on. But I know I'm going to be distracted by whatever it is I'm doing out here. So yeah, I hope that you can actually hear me, because I know being outside is a little windy. So I hope that you can hear me. Alright, I hope you enjoy today's video.
Artless.io.
Yeah, only getting started when it's midnight, keeping it tight. If a nigga wanna go to war, it can get dark, but we stay bright. Coming like a night, it's on sight. If it touch my sleeve, niggas round there wanna disagree when it's clear that I'm speaking facts. Man like me, you know I'm proactive. Never gonna stop till I see the big man's on flats.
Hop on the front door, it's like midnight.
Music licensing reimagined.
You might fall out again. Off-white whip, need for speed. I'm not switching the lane. Pick up the pace. Bro like that, I'm back to the base.
Back to the base. Back to the base. Now I can never act. Been trying to stack up racks on racks. Boys in the back wearing all black, staying on track. Better show the gun, and that's on me. Out here getting this beer. If you work for the devil, better retreat. Coming too icy, come too clean. Could never move shady, ain't no feed.
Shotgun, London, what's the outcome? You know, I'm a madman, just can't stick to the program. Raise up the heat, keeping the tension, shifting the gear to a different dimension. Red light, speed up, take off.
Music licensing reimagined.
Midnight.
Alright, so I took a bit of a break. I was dying, and as you can see, my rug is in my pocket. I pinned it to my clothes because I know when I'm stooping it's gonna keep falling out or falling off of me. Do not want my rag ending up in the dirt. And as you can see, I wet it up. I don't know why I'm tonguing that word. Anyway, I wet up the dirt so that it would be a lot more easier to move around. And I placed the watermelon plants there so that I can try to figure out how to place it. I don't know how I'm going to do it yet. I have a grilled cage kind of thing. I came here when I moved here a couple of years ago. I saw it. It's been here ever since. It's basically taking up space, if you can call it that. So I'm gonna see if I can put it over it, kind of giving the watermelon a little space to grow up and over and around. Because I know watermelons, and I've already seen some buds on them. Because even though they're in those individual containers, give me 1 second. Imani, Amara, that's too loud. That's too loud, okay? Inside voices, please. Imani, you're not responding. Did you hear what I said? Inside voices, no screaming. Please fix your clothes. Okay? That's Amara's. Alright, so guys, yeah, as I was saying, I'm gonna go back to finishing that. The sun is pelting, but the funny thing is, I really don't mind it. I kind of enjoy it, even though it's, you know, it's proven to be a task and then some. I will come back in to give the girls some snacks afterwards, because it's about that time. They just had some juice to cool down. They had their breakfast, of course. So it's around the time they should be starting to feel peckish. So yeah, and here they come. I don't even know. I don't even know what they're looking for, but yeah. I don't even know what I was gonna say. Enjoy the rest of the video, guys. All right.
Come on, come here, come a little closer. Don't be afraid, no, I don't wanna hurt you. Little more, come near, let me just show you. Don't know, can't talk, let me just show you. Don't be obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the scene in your eyes.
Music licensing reimagined.
Move, move, body, move. Body, you can move, move, body, move, your body, you can.
You're running through my mind with a shotgun. I'm running out of time, but I'm not done. Yeah, I don't need to run, it will come to me. I don't need to fight, but I keep moving, keep moving. Even what I lose, yeah, I keep moving.
Artlist
Put on my
IO.
shoes, yeah, I keep moving. There's no room to refuse. Don't you mess with us, we're not afraid. Look at us, no, there is nothing to discuss. I'm not okay, but I'll get up. I know the way, no, I won't stop. I know this game, I won't give up. It takes some time to reach the top. Let's take a break, here comes
Music
the drop.
licensing
Don't be
reimagined.
obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes, you need to be free.
Move, body, move, move, your body, you can move, move, body, move, move, your body, you can.
You're running through my mind with a shotgun. I'm running out of time, but I'm not done. Yeah, I don't need to run, it will come to me. I don't need to fight, but I keep moving, keep moving. Even what I lose, yeah, I keep moving.
Artlist
Put on my
IO.
shoes, yeah, I keep moving. There's no room to refuse. Don't you mess with us, we're not afraid. Look at us, no, there is nothing to discuss. I'm not okay, but I'll get up. I know the way, no, I won't stop. I know this game, I won't give up. It takes some time to reach the top. Let's take a break, here comes
Music
the drop.
licensing
Don't be
reimagined.
obsessive, it could be intensive, it could be explosive, it could be offensive. Don't be defensive, don't be aggressive, it will be a waste cause we could be expensive. You need a little fee in your life, you need a little me in your life. I wanna see the sea in your eyes, you need to be free.
Move, move, body, move, move, your body, you can move, move, body,
Artlist IO.
move, your body, you can.
Yeah, I do know that that's not enough space for the watermelons to grow. Hopefully, I can get the piece of a bigger sheet of the net, and then I have 2 lengths of steel outside that I can just make arches and then put the wool over that. Now, it's probably counterproductive for me to wind up all of that steel in there and then to undo it to put the taller ones. But for now, that's all I can do. Hopefully, I can get the other stuff that I need. I just didn't want them staying in the little containers and then die. That would have been counterproductive because I took the time to get that dirt, to plant the seeds, watered them. Well, I put them in a pan of water around it just to keep them alive, only to watch them die again. That's what is happening to my pak choy and a little bit of my cabbage right now. and it's killing me, but I'm still waiting to get some topsoil. So I just have to wait. But God is good, yeah? God is good.